Hey guys, hello my dear busy people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky but Funny. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the cube of a number from 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100, you can easily do cube of a number in just 5 seconds. Very excited, right? So, without wasting our time, let's get started. So first and foremost, in order to do cube of any number between 1 to 100, you need to know the cubes from 1 to 9. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 4 cube 64, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729. So first and foremost, we need to know the cubes of number from 1 to 9. So that we can easily do the numbers like any number between 1 to 100, you can easily do the cube of a number. So, and we have 4 conditions. Don't worry, these conditions are very easy. You can do in fraction of seconds the cube of any number, and it will be helpful in your government exams, competitive exams, and even in the class, in examinations, etc. So, the 4 conditions you need to remember. If the number starts with 1, if the number ends with 1, if the number is the same number, like 11, 22, 33, 44, like that, and if the given number is a different number like 43, 34, 56, 78, etc. So we will go into the condition number 1. If the given number starts with 1, what are the numbers starts with 1? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So shall we take an example? Shall we do for 14 cube? So for doing 14 cube, see, in condition number 1, we have to remember that we have to move from left to right. From left to right. Remember, this is very important, from left to right. So I took 14 cube. 14, 1, 4. Write 1 as it is, 4 as it is, square the second digit. 4 square 16. Now cube the second digit again. 4 cube 64. After doing all those, you need to leave the first number, last number. Leave the first and last. Remaining middle 2 digits, you need to double them, like 4 2s are 8, 16 2s are 32. After this, next step, you need to add this simple addition. 64 plus 0 is 64. 4 here, 6 will be carry. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 32, 54. 4 is here and 5 will be the carry. And next 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 will be the carry, 7 will be here, and 1 plus 1, it is 2. In the same way, and the answer for 14 cube is 2744. And after doing that, if you go for 17 cube, write 1 as it is, 7 as it is, square the 7, it will be 49, and cube the 7, it will be 343, and leave the first number, leave the last number, double the middle 2 digits. 7 2s are 14, 49 2s are 98, and then add simple addition. 343 plus 0, it is 343. Write 3 here, 34 will be carry, 49 plus 98 plus 34, it will be 181. 1 here, 18 here, 7 plus 14, 21, 21 plus 18, 39. 9 here, 3 will be carry, and 1 plus 3, it is 4. So totally 4913. And 19 cube, I am giving it as homework. Let me know in the comment section. Set the time so that which in a simple multiplication method, either you can do that fast in that way or you can do fast in this way. Okay, in the same way, if we go for condition 2, the number which ends with 1, number that ends with 1, like 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. See here, 11, it is starting with 1. So you can use either condition number 1 or condition number 2. Let me take an example. 31 cube. What I said in condition number 1, we have to move from left to right. But in condition number 2, note from right to left. You have to come from right to left. But the same method is same. Write 1 as it is, 3 as it is, square the 3, it will be 9, square the 3, it will be cube. So it is 27, and then remove first one and remove last one. Middle 2 digits, you have to double it. 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, and simple addition. 1 plus 0, it will be 1, 3 plus 6, it will be 9, 9 plus 18, it will be 27, 27 plus 2, it will be 29, and the answer is 29,791. Quite easy, right? And then if you go for 51 cube, it will be same as first. 1, 5, 5 square, 5 cube, and then remove first, last, and 25 double, 5 double, 5 2s are 10, 25 2s are 50. Simple addition. 1 plus 0 1, 5 plus 10 15, 1 will be carry, 5 will be here, 25 plus 50 it will be 75, 75 plus 1 it will be 76, 6 here, 7 is carry, 125 plus 7 it will be 132. And next 81 cube, it will be homework to you. If we go for condition 3, if the given number, it is a same number like 11, 22, 33, 44 and so on up to 99. What you have to do, as it is the same number, 2, you select 2, cube it, 2 cube will be 8 and write it 4 times, 8, 8, 8, 8. Remove last number, remove first number, remove last number, middle 2 digits you have to double it, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16. And then simple addition, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 16 it will be 24, 16 plus 2 28, 28 plus 8 36, 26, and 8 plus 2 it will be 10, 10,648. Nice, right? And if you go for next one, 44 cube, what I had said, first you have to cube it, 4 cube it will be 64 and write it 4 times, wrote, and then remove first one, remove last one, double the 2 digits, 64 2s 128, 64 2s 128, and then consider whole and do simple addition, 64 plus 0, 64, 6 will be carry 4. In the same way if you do, you get 85,184, right? And then if you go for 77 cube, it will be homework to you. So the condition number 4, different number, it can be any number between 1 to 100, but you should not use for another numbers, like you can't use for 21 because 1 it is ending, the number is ending with 1, so you can't use that. So the condition number 4, it is if the given number is a different number, it is little bit difficult, but don't worry, if you practice well, this will be going to be easy, this will be easy for you. So if we go for 39 cube, here 3, first digit is 3, second digit is 9, first digit 3, 3 cube will be 27, write it first, and then 9 cube, second digit 9 cube, it will be 729, write it last, in the 4th place you have to write that. And then go to again 3 square 9, multiply with this second digit, 9 9s are 81. After that, in the 3rd place, 9 square 81, 81 3s are 243. This is somewhat difficult, but understand well, do practice, you will do it easily. And then leave the first, leave the last, double the middle 2 digits, 81 2s are 162, 243 2s are 486, simple addition, you will get 59,319. If we go for 45 cube, what I said, you have to cube the first digit, 4 cube 64, write in it first place, and 5 cube it will be 125, write it in 4th place, and 4 square will be 16, 16 5s are 80, write it in the 2nd place. If we go for 5 square will be 25, 25 4s are 100, write it in 3rd place, leave the first, leave the last, and double the second, 80 2s are 160, 100 2s are 200, simple addition, you will get 91,125. Remember, these are carries, okay? And the 61 cube, it is homework to you. I think you guys have understood this video. If you think that this video is useful, then like it, share it, subscribe, and the bell icon, press the bell icon beside that, so that you'll be notified when I'm online. And don't forget to comment me in the comment section below. Let me know the time between simple multiplication and the method I gave you. So bye bye.